Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Motorola off and removing the SIM tray so nothing powers on mid-repair. Once done, strap in an ESD wristband and preheat the frame edge for 1 to 2 minutes to soften adhesive. This makes separation safer. Next, use a thin plastic pick to create a 1/8-inch gap and work around the perimeter slowly. Make sure to keep a magnetic mat or labeled cups for screws because reassembly order matters for fit and connectors. Once the adhesive is softened, you lift the glass slowly from one corner and maintain steady heat. This prevents cracks from spidering. After lifting, remove the mid-frame screws in the sequence you labeled and gently peel back plastic shields. Disconnect the battery before touching display flex cables to prevent shorts. Then, carefully unplug the display and digitizer connectors using a plastic spudger. This prevents tearing the flex. Keep track of shielding clips and test each removal step visually to avoid hidden screws or adhesive tabs. You fit the replacement screen by aligning the top edge and lowering it into place while checking that flex cables route correctly. Before final adhesive, reconnect the battery and power on to confirm display, touch, front camera, and proximity sensor function. This saves reopening. Once confirmed, power down, apply new adhesive or B7000 beads, press and clamp edges for adhesive cure time. If something fails, one key troubleshooting tip: receipt connectors and clean contacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.